Hi, I'm Lexi with Driftless Glassworks, and I wanted to give you a quick demo on our product, the Tabletop Mini Foiler. I will give you some instructions on how to unload and load different sizes of foil, and I will run through a couple demo pieces to show you how quickly application of the foil to your pieces works. So when you have those days where you have a ton of pieces to foil, you can zip right through those and make foiling a breeze. The parts on the foiler. These are the wing nuts. This is the foil dispenser, and these are the foil size discs. This is the centering guide, and then this is the base. Up here. When you have your foil loaded properly, the moons will line up here, and the foil will come nicely through the center here. Here's a quick demo on how to load your mini tabletop foiler. When you get your foiler, it'll come assembled, and you'll need to load your foil in there. So you'll take the wing nut off. The foil holder here has an arrow that indicates the direction that the foil needs to go in. There's also a little keyed spot here that matches up right above the bolt there. So when you have it on there correctly, it'll sit right in there real snug, and you'll see that the moons are lined up perfectly. So we'll need to place our foil in there. So I'll set that down on the table. I am using 7/30 seconds for this. Okay, so I need to follow the line of the direction that's indicated on the disc here. So the tail is heading out in the direction that the arrow is placed in. So the arrow is indicating it goes this way, and so I have the tail that way. Okay, pull that out of the way. The keyed spot is on the top there, so I'm just going to pop it on here. Kind of rotate it so I know it's locked in place, and then I'll put the wing nut back on. Okay. Next, make sure that my centering guides are out of the way. I already have it loaded with the 7/30 seconds disc on here. If I was using a different foil size, I would switch to the red for 3/16 or the yellow for the 1/4 inch. Now we need to place our foil between the two moons here. I'm going to pull that out and take the paper backing off a bit. Kind of pull that out of the way, and then I'm going to thread it through the moons. Okay, and then you pull it up. Oops. It's hard to do backwards. Up and under. So you can see that it goes, the sticky side's up. I have black backed foil in so you can see it a little better. Sticky side is up, the foil lays in that channel there. I just move the backing paper out of the way. And then I'll tighten those down so they don't move. So it should come out pretty smoothly, see? Like a tape dispenser. Okay, I don't need that much out right away, so I'll kind of roll it back in there. Make sure it's still in my centered position here. And everything's good.